Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save files on your computer instead of OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by navigating to your Windows desktop and opening File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar, or by pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. This will bring up your File Explorer window where you can access all your files and folders. Once your File Explorer window has opened, direct your attention to the left navigation menu where your Quick Access section is located. This sidebar displays all your frequently used folders and shortcuts, making it easy to navigate through your system. From here, locate and click on your OneDrive folder to open it. This folder contains all the files currently synced with Microsoft's cloud storage service. Within your OneDrive folder, browse through and locate the specific file or files you wish to save directly on your computer instead of keeping them only in the cloud. This is important because by default, OneDrive stores files online to save local storage space, but sometimes you need constant offline access to certain files without relying on an internet connection. Once you've found the file you want to keep locally, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with various options for managing your file. From the list of options that appears, look for and click on Always Keep on this device. This is the key setting that tells OneDrive to maintain a permanent local copy of this file on your computer's hard drive, ensuring you can access it even when you're offline or disconnected from the internet. After selecting this option, you'll notice a visual confirmation in the status column of your File Explorer. A green checkmark icon will appear next to the file, indicating that it's now permanently stored on your local device. This checkmark distinguishes locally stored files from cloud-only files, which typically show a cloud icon instead. And that's it. You've successfully configured your file to be saved on your computer rather than just in OneDrive, giving you reliable offline access whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.